Hey there, party people! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and entertainment. Today, we've got something special for all you karaoke enthusiasts out there. Introducing the DALTON KS10Pro portable Bluetooth speaker. This bad boy right here is not just your ordinary speaker. It's the ultimate outdoor karaoke system that's about to take your parties to a whole new level of fun and excitement. Let's dive into what makes the DALTON KS10Pro the best outdoor karaoke system on the market. First off, connectivity. With Bluetooth 5.2, aux, and USB options, this speaker makes it a breeze to connect your devices and get the music pumping. And check this out. It comes with not one, but two wireless UHF microphones, perfect for duets and group performances. Plus, with 4 included batteries, the party can go on and on without missing a beat. Now, let's talk about customization. The control panel on the DALTON KS10Pro allows you to tweak the sound to your heart's content. Adjust the delay, echo, mid, bass, and treble to create the perfect sound effects for your karaoke sessions. But wait, there's more. With 300 watts of peak power, a 10-inch woofer, and a 1-inch tweeter, this speaker delivers crisp, powerful sound that'll have your guests dancing all night long. And thanks to its durable alloy steel handle, you can take the party wherever you go. So there you have it, folks. The DALTON KS10Pro portable Bluetooth speaker, the best outdoor karaoke system on the market. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, a beach party, or just jamming out with friends indoors, this speaker has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep singing and keep rocking.